Hi everybody. We're going to eat our Sour Patch and we're so excited.
I'm gonna try sour straw.
Yeah. And that's our first time tasting it.
Okay.
So
Let's see if you like it.
So you're gonna see our reaction when you see us eat it.
You go eat. Wait lang. Oh, you taste it both at the same time. Wait. I'll
Okay.
give you one each.
Our dad gave us some.
Bite it. Bite it. Yeah, dude. What can you say? It's sour?
It's good.
Really?
Yeah. I like that.
Masarap. O hindi na kasi masarap.
Naman ganun kaasim.
Hello, everybody. What are you doing?
Asim.
I'm eating this.